we share, love, cooperate and give, empathy is at work. When empathy is absent, there is no intimacy and relationships break down. Violence, abuse, discrimination, and selfishness become all too common when empathy goes missing. We must remain faithful in our actions even if we have lost our voices. If you can't speak or you're not being heard, then let your actions do the talking. Love, affection for others, sympathy, and a certain nobility of feeling are the highest attributes of a soul, and that's where we find our humility. Though life moves on and we are miles apart, all the wonderful memories are still in our hearts. Months go by without being in touch. That doesn't mean we don't care as much. Justice will come fast and swift like an eagle, like a lion after its prey. Those who possess self-discipline know that quitting is never an option. If it were, perseverance would soon be replaced by resignation. Those who hold quitting as a possible outcome lack a certain expectation in their ultimate success. Simplicity focuses on the quality of life rather than the quantity of material possessions. Keep your head up, and don't ever let a bad day define you. We all have them. Each human life is as precious as the eternal laws of nature, as even the laws of nature acquire conscious existence when reflected in human knowledge.